Hi, let me take you through our upload a file from a Google Drive step found in the Axiom builder. I'm Alex Barlow, co-founder of Axiom. Let's dive in. So it's a brand new step and it's exciting because for the first time you can now upload files in the cloud from a Google Drive. This means you can run any of your automation involving file uploads now in the cloud if you have a Google Drive and of course Axiom. That's cool because before you could only upload files from your desktop runner. Okay, so how easy is it to use this step? I'm going to whiz through showing you how now. First of all, you need to choose a file input field. Now on screen you'll see I've got Axiom open and the step open. On the left I've got a page open to a CMS, a content management system, where part of creating new content involves uploading files. Well, now I can automate this obviously with this step and I can run this automation in the cloud. Other uses might be in social media or image management software. The choice is yours. So I'm going to show you now to select that input. All I do is click the file input field. I hover over it, point and click. That's simple. Before I press complete, I'll just make you aware of the custom features of the selector tool, where you can enter custom CSS selectors and you can pass data to select input fields from a Google Sheet or a webhook. I'm going to press complete, and now I'm just going to show you the final step, and that is you have to insert the Google Drive, the file to the URL from your Google Drive. Now you could pass those from data, so you could have them all. If you wanted to loop through a series of files, you could store the URLs in a Google Sheet and insert that data here, or you can just cut and paste the URL in there. Now, if you don't know how to find the URL to your file, I'll just show you how to do that now. I've got a folder open and I'm just going to find a picture of Simon, my fellow co-founder and the genius behind this tool. I'm going to right click, I'm going to make a copy. No, actually, I'm being completely dizzy there. I'm going to not make a copy. I'm going to look for share and copy the link. That's why I was thinking copy. Okay, that's done. Now I'm just going to go back to my other tab and I can just insert the URL there. And that's the step set up. It's that easy. And like I said, you can insert data from anywhere, like webhooks, from Zapier, from Google Sheet. You can just loop through rows of data or loop through an array to upload multiple images. I hope you enjoy using Axiom. Do reach out if we can be of help. Thank you.